Hi Namdi, so I'm gonna try and make a quick video of this project for you. So looking up here is the welcome page, right? So you have like sliders right here. You have different sliders, okay? Then I'm gonna quickly scroll. You have different rooms, different rates. Don't mind the prices here. I have not yet fixed, all of them, but I'm going to walk you through the functionality of the site. So I have been able to also add some custom write-up for the website as well. Okay, so the services section, then the team. So here you're going to replace it with your team, the people you want to represent the firm. So the testimonials, what client says, and all of that. Then the frequently asked questions where you see, some quick questions that, potential customers can have access to. Okay, so no blogs has been written. They can all be controlled from the back end. And here is the footer. Okay, what I want us to look at is the functionality first. That's the most important thing. So coming here, someone can actually check availability. You can see days that are not applicable are grayed out. So someone cannot choose a day that is already gone right here. So you see today is 28 already, the wee hours of the morning. So I'm going to select 28 here. Then checkout time here is 29th, and I'm going to check availability. One guest, I can also choose different numbers here. So here are our rooms that are available for those periods. So I can decide to choose superior, right? So I go to superior. Great. So you can have a bigger view of the superior picture. This, of course, will be custom pictures that will be put in here. It could be several pictures as well that someone can feed their eyes with. So those dates that we picked are automatically set in here. As you can see, the number of persons are set in. Then it shows the availability right here, that 3 rooms are available and stuff like that. Now you can choose to book for the available room. So click on book. So it's asking us to sign in. So I could quickly sign in, or even sign up. All right, so if I go to sign up here, but for the sake of this, I'm going to quickly sign into an account I already have. So let me choose here. Let me just say Bright, and then the password I've created for it. Can select remember me, and I click sign in now. Great. So immediately I signed in, it still brought me back exactly where I left, right? Exactly where I left before I was asked for the sign in, as you can see right here. So I'm going to click book now again. So it now brings me to the checkout page where I'm supposed to make payment. So there we go. So you see it picked up all my details right here, right, with the summary of what I wanted and the total price. So I need to now put in the zip code, the state and zip code, and I choose to pay whether on cash on delivery, which of course is pay at the counter. We can change that later on, or Stripe. But this Stripe, I'm going to replace it with Paystack. So what I'm actually working this night is the payment integration for Paystack, because that is more common here than Stripe. So let's choose, in this case, cash on delivery here, and click place order. So we wait. Beautiful. You look up here, it says booking added successfully. All right, that's amazing. So since I have logged in already, if I go to my dashboard right here, if I go to my dashboard and I go right here, booking details, you will see the booking I just made right now. You can see it is pending. Look at it right here up here. All right, you can see it right here. So what we are going to do now is someone, an admin, look at the invoice here. On clicking it, it brings out the invoice for me. Let me show you that again. If you click on that, it pulls up the invoice for you. Now let's download the invoice, and let's wait. Good, it has downloaded. So that's invoice 12 right here, the most recent I have done here. So let's open up the invoice and see what it looks like. Great. As you can see it here, beautiful. You can see the invoice right here. Let me minimize it so you can see good. So you see right here, it gives the detail like a receipt of what the person has done on the site. Now going further, on the back end, remember this is what interacts with the user, right? Now on the back end, you have the admin. So all these things, the entire phase we see here, the home page, all of these, the booking process, all are happening on the front end, which is one part of the website or the web app. The other part here is the admin part or the admin dashboard. As you can see here, this is behind the scenes right here. So if I come to the admin dashboard, this is where everything is managed, right? On the front end, everything on the front end is managed here. So you see, like I told you, how you can see sales record and also make predictions of peak times and the rest of them. So here you have total booking on this particular day, and you look at here, these are several trials I've been doing and it's keeping record of them. You can see we have a peak period here that shows up like this. So you can see all of this data at the dash on the dashboard when you log into the admin section. So admin, behind on this admin, you can manage teams, you can manage booking area, you can manage a lot of things. You can manage room type, right? If you open the room type list right here, you can see the different rooms we have. You can add additional one. And let's take a quick look at one of them here. If you open Phoenix Imperial Suite here, you see how it is. So this not only manages, each of the rooms, it also manages its inventory, like here in the room capacity. So like in your hotels, we will say, okay, this Phoenix Imperial Suite, how many rooms are Phoenix Imperial Suite? That is what we put in here, the room capacity. If there are 3 executive, if we go to executive, we put 3 here. If we have 5 executive rooms, we put 5 here. And this, when someone books it, it automatically reduces to keep track of which room is empty or not. Now, since we say the room capacity here is 4, if we go to room number, we can add, I've not yet added for the Phoenix Imperial. Let's go to one that I have added for. Let's go to room type list again, and let's quickly go to Superior. Okay, let's go to Superior, edit. How many rooms are Superior here? Let's check it out. 4 as well. Now look at all the pictures. You can load as many pictures as you want right here. So we go to room number. This is where it gets exciting. You will see room 201, 202, 203, and 204 are all Superior. That is how you add it. So if you have more, you can click on this add new, and it asks, let's say 205. All right, select status, is it active or inactive, and you add save. Okay, good. So make sure you have to update it here. Since it is now 5 rooms, I have to update the number here, the room capacity as 5 as well. Then I have to scroll all the way to save the changes. So down here too, you will see a lot of facilities for the hotel. Okay, I'm waiting for it to load. Beautiful. So which facilities do you guys have? Do you have complimentary breakfast? You add it. If there are more facilities that are being provided, like laundry and dry cleaning, you add them all and then save changes. Okay, so these are a few write-ups that you want to reflect on the front end. The video is actually getting quite big, but basically that is it. Now coming to the booking part, if you go to booking, you see the booking list. Under here you see booking list, add new booking. So let's go to booking list right now. Beautiful. You will see a list of bookings that has been made but have not yet been confirmed. Now this is very exciting. Once someone makes a booking, if you go back to that page right here, if you go back to this person that made this booking, let's go back to the dashboard real quick, right? Let's go back to the dashboard. You will see on the dashboard under booking details, you will see that you have it's pending here. The most current one is pending, right? So if we come all the way back here now and we want to confirm, just for the sake, since I did not track them, I want to confirm every single one of them. Check the number here, 3785. This is the booking number, the B number, 3785-2429. Let's go to the front page, which is this very first one here. That's the one we want to confirm. So we come back here and we click right here. Good. First and foremost, we have not yet assigned a room to it. We have to do that. So we now click on assign room. Remember, total room is 1. You can see it right here. Easy peasy. Simply click on assign room, and then from the available rooms you assign one room to it. So I've assigned room 202 to it. You can see here, beautifully done, room assigned, right? And that is it. And you see it automatically updates itself. Now the available room now is 3. You see that. Now once we have done this, the next thing we remember that the customer information is also pulled up here. Look at it here, the email, the phone number, and all the rest of them. So here the admin behind the scene will now say, okay, let's say we have received payment from the person will come here now and say what? Payment complete. And then booking status, now we are now changing the status from pending to complete to confirm his booking. Now once we change this information right here, we click update. Now watch what happens. Look at this email box of that customer right here. Now look at, an hour ago was when the last email was sent here. All right, so let's go back and confirm it, and you see how it automatically triggers an email, custom email, to be sent to the customer. That is here. Click on update, boom, and let's look at the information that will be sent to us now. What does it say? Let's wait. Amazing, beautiful. It's loading up. It's loading up. It's loading up. It's loading. Perfect. It says information updated successfully. So how will the customer now know that, okay, his booking is confirmed? 2 ways. First of all, he will get an email with his registered email address right here. Okay, you get an email. Okay, let me check here. Let me refresh the page. Let's refresh the page. Amazing. Do you see that now? As I refresh the page, you see a minute ago the email has landed. Let me open it up. Boom. Check it out. It says, "Dear Bright, we are delighted to confirm your reservation at Phoenix Imperial Hall. We look forward to welcoming you, ensuring you have a memorable stay with us." It shows the booking details and everything concerning that particular booking request made. All right, so this is it. You see the customized email that is sent to the person. Now, if the user even goes and logs in on his own, let's refresh this page again. Take note of this 3785 booking. Perfect. Do you see now it's changed from what? pending to complete. So that is it basically. Now, the two remaining tasks rather I'm going to do now is I am switching this, and this could be done by end of tomorrow. It should be done. So having done this, if I go back to my source code now, you see that where I'm working on it. I am trying to, let's go to views. Let me check that area again. Let's scroll all the way down here. Hold on. Okay. That should be under my resources, views, admin. Beautiful. So under admin now, you will see we need to have two admins, one in the Lagos to control everything, every customer coming in from the Lagos, and that of admin of the Abuja. So if I open admin now, you see the folders I've created, Abuja and Lagos. So I'm currently working on making sure that this functionality now is separated in such a way that a user can be directed depending on whether he needs to book with the Lagos hotel or with the Abuja hotel. So that's the progress we've made so far. I hope it is okay, because it's been a lot of work and a lot of challenges, but by God's grace, before the yes, before the end of tomorrow, we're already on today, before the end of tomorrow, we should have completed it in its entirety. Then we'll now focus on the phase we call the onboarding phase. All right, the onboarding phase is where you now use your more polished pictures, the pictures of the staff you want to feature in, and some of the more beautiful videos and stuff to put in on the system. So that is it. Thank you and have a good night's rest.